Hello everybody, welcome to Markets and Matchups, your weekly dose of finance and footy.
We'll kick off with a quick wrap of the markets and then jump into the NRL over the week.
Don't forget to get your tips in for our BBC footy tipping comp. Bragging rights and prizes are on the line.
Okay, into your weekly market update. In the US on Friday, the S&P 500 dropped about 1.6%, Nasdaq fell 2.2%, and the Dow slipped 1.2% amid weaker than expected July jobs data and escalating trade tensions, especially involving newly imposed tariffs. It was their worst session since April across the board. Markets then bounced back sharply on Tuesday. The S&P climbed 1.5%, Dow up 1.3%, and the Nasdaq rallied 2%, making their biggest one-day gain since May. Broad gains were led by retail stocks and tech names. Locally, the Australian share market followed a similar trend, as Friday saw the market fall sharply, approximately 0.9%, largely driven by global market jitters, triggered by US headlines around trade and healthcare policy. The market then recovered early this week on the back of strong iron ore and gold prices. Quick commodities update. Chinese imports of iron ore stayed firm, which helped support price above the $100 per tonne mark. Raising rate cut expectations lifted gold and other safe haven assets. Gold is up 1.8% over the last week as of Wednesday morning.
Okay, jumping into round 22 of the NRL, were there any standout games for you?
Yeah, mine, as always, was the Warriors Dolphins, but it was actually a cracker finish as well.
Was it? You lost though.
Yeah, we lost, but that's okay. I kind of mentioned that we'd lose, didn't I?
Yeah.
I said that there was a
you're
chance.
psychic.
Yeah, last minute try. It's actually was a bit disappointing.
But it was a good game.
It was a good game. It was a good game.
They always are good when they're close.
Yeah.
About a good game. Close. Panthers, Titans. We almost lost to the Titans.
Oh, that was crazy.
That
was a crazy finish.
4 minutes, 5 minutes.
Well, the comeback was insane. It was like 20, I think it was 22 points or something. And then I thought, oh my gosh, like they're going to...
That would be social suicide. That would be so embarrassing.
And then cue Nathan Cleary.
Yep,
and,
the best ever. I've said it and I'll say it again. He's the best.
And then they finally started playing in the Golden Point, and then come away with a nice win. So
thank God. Talk about a nice win. Tigers, Bulldogs.
You're happy about that, aren't you?
No, that's not a nice win. That's a bad win.
Oh, I think you were Tigers.
I thought it was Bulldogs.
Okay.
It's hard to tell.
Okay.
But no, Bulldogs should have won that. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, I don't mind that though. It makes the top four more interesting now.
Yeah, that they can lose to one of the bottom teams, if not.
I mean, Warriors Bulldogs this weekend.
Oh.
So that'll be a bit of a decider.
I reckon Warriors could win that. Have some loyalty for your team.
Yep.
I'm a realist.
But you say that they're gonna lose every week.
I don't say that. I'm just a realist. I know.
Okay.
I know what we offer and what we don't. So.
Okay, so that's your upcoming game to watch this week.
Bulldogs,
it is Warriors.
Yeah, it is. Yours?
It'll be a good game. No, I think my upcoming game to watch would be Warriors Bulldogs as well. I think that'll be a really good game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why? And who are you going for this time?
I'm going for Warriors. I feel like Warriors could win. I feel like it will be a bit hard hitting on the ego for Bulldogs to lose again. I think that's what they need. We need to keep it interesting. They can't just bounce back. A quick shout out to Princess Cahill1 for leading at the tipping comp leaderboard, followed by Swampy and Evelyn. Congratulations, guys. Our Las Vegas prize is still up for grabs, so don't forget to get your tips in.
Thanks for tuning in, guys, for this week's Markets and Matchups.
We'll see you next week with another episode of Finance and Footy. Don't forget to lock in your tips for our BBC Footy tipping comp.